Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see 33B question. In triangle PQR, S and T are points on PQ and PR respectively. PS by SQ equal to PT by TR and angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. Prove that PQR is an isosceles triangle. So this is again an important question released by CBSE. First we will draw the diagram. P Q R S T. This is angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. So they have given that PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. So with this we can come to the conclusion that SQ is parallel to QR. Sorry, yes, ST parallel to QR, and they have given that angle PSR is equal to angle, I'm sorry, PST is equal to angle PRQ, and as line ST and line QR are parallel by the corresponding angles theorem, PST is equal to angle PQR. So again we saw that angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. So with this we can come to the conclusion that angle PRQ is equal to angle PQR. So if these two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. Therefore PQ is equal to PR. If two sides are equal, then the triangle will be an isosceles triangle. Right? That's what is been asked in the question to prove. We need to prove that PQR is an isosceles triangle, then hence the proof. Right? So easy question. Now, okay. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck at each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Find its surface area. The radius. Okay, fine. Now, the radius of this is nothing but given diameter by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2, that is 2.5 millimeter. Length of the entire capsule is given as 14 millimeter. So the length of the cylinder, so the length of the cylinder is nothing but 14 minus, see, actually the capsule is like this, a cylinder with two hemispheres being attached. So therefore we need to find the length of the cylinder alone that is present in the capsule. So 14 minus this side 2.5 and that side 2.5, right, the radius, so it is 5, therefore it is 9 millimeter is the length of the cylinder part alone, right? So the surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square formula, that is equal to 2 into 3.14 into the r value is 2.5, the whole square, that is 2.5 into 2.5. So by solving this you get 39.25. So this is the surface area of the hemisphere in millimeter square. Similarly, the surface area of the cylinder is nothing but 2 pi RH. So upon simplifying, 2 into 3.14 into the radius is again 2.5 and the height which we saw is 9. So when you solve this, we get 141.43. So when you solve this, you get 141. That is the surface area of the cylinder 2 pi RH. When you solve this, you get 141.43. That is in millimeter square. Same, right? Okay, fine. Now the area, they are asking the area, required area of the medicine capsule. So this is the diagram of the medicine capsule. Here one hemisphere, one hemisphere. So we got the value of the area of cylinder is nothing but 141.43 plus, that is this one, right? Then 39.25 is the area, surface area of the hemisphere. There are two hemisphere present. Therefore 2 into 39.25, right? This is the cylinder which we found 141.43. Two hemisphere present, therefore 2 into 39.25. So when you solve this, you get 141. Okay, exactly around 220 millimeter square. So this is the required surface area of the capsule. Just solve this, 141.43 plus 2 into 39.25. Then you get 220 millimeter square, because millimeter square because it is in surface area. So that is the entire surface area of the capsule, right? Now this is the next question. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. The same problem as we saw before, the same like thing. The structure or the shape is same. So we are going to first write what is given or the given data. The height is 5 centimeter. Yes, the length or the height is 5 centimeter. The diameter D is 2.8 centimeter. Therefore, radius will be 1.4 centimeter. The height of the entire cylinder, the same diagram. The height of the entire thing, right? The entire, okay, is 5 centimeter. So we need to find the height of the cylinder part. This entire height is 5 centimeter. We need the cylinder part, this part alone. So that can be calculated by 5 minus 2 radiuses present, that is 2.8. You get 2.2. This is this height. This is the radius, this is the radius. So subtracting that, you get 5 minus 2.8. So it comes as height of the cylinder is nothing but 2.2 centimeter. Now the total volume, right? The total volume of one jamun. So they are, how much syrup would be found in 45 jamuns, right? Yes. So the total volume of one jamun is needed. That is nothing but the volume of cylinder plus two hemispheres present. So that will be, volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h plus the two hemispheres, right? So 2 into 2 by 3 pi r Yes, 2 into 2 by 3. Yes. 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube, because it's a volume. So it comes as 4 by 3 pi r cube. So upon simplifying the values present over here, the value that is given from the question to this, to find the total volume of one jamun, you get around 25.05 centimeter cube. Volume of one jamun, right? So we have given that the volume of sugar syrup is approximately about 30%, right? 30 percentage of total volume. So for 45 jamuns, you get it as 45 into, this is for one, right? For one jamun, for 45 jamuns, you get 45 into 30 percentage of 25.05. 25.05. So when you solve this again, you get 338.19 approximately. This is of centimeter cube, right? So this is what asked in this question. We need to find approximately how much syrup. So we need across 338.19 will be the centimeter cube, will be the value that is being asked in the question. So this is again an textbook problem. So this is again asked in the CBSE repeatedly. So kindly practice this sums also when you are solving surface area and volume, particularly again and again, right? Now this is the next question. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. 1500 to 2000 lifetime, you get 14 lamps. 2000 to 2500, you get 56. 2500 to 3000, you get 60, and it goes on up to 4500 to 5000, that is 48. Now they are asking the average lifetime. So for finding average lifetime, you need to find the cumulative frequency also. So for 1500 to 2000, it is 14, therefore the cumulative frequency is the same, 14 will come. Similarly 2000 to 2500, 2500, 3000, 35, 35, 4000, you get here 56, 60, 86, 74. Okay, they are asking us up to 400 neon lamps. So till this is enough. When you calculate, yes, it's 74. This page it's enough. I will take another page. CI frequency, cumulative frequency, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000, it is 6248. So the cumulative frequency is 14 plus 56, 70, sorry, 70, 70 plus 60, 130, 130 plus 86, you get 216, 216 plus 74, 290, 290 plus this one is 62, right? So 352, 352 is plus 48 is 400. So the value that is given, the n value is 400, it is n1. So the median class which they are asking, so for that the formula we need to find the value of n by 2. 200. The formula is median, right? We need to find the median lifetime. So the median formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F cross H. Yes. Now the L is the lower limit of the median class in the given lifetime. So in the from the question 1500, 2000, 2000 to 2500, it goes on up to 4500 to 5000. The median class is nothing but the middle one, that is 3000 to 3500. In that, the lower limit present is 3000. Therefore, the value of L will be 3000 plus, yes, we have n value to be 200. Therefore, n by 2, sorry, 400. N by 2 is 200 minus the cumulative frequency which we found is 130 divided by, I'm sorry, into the H is nothing but the size, right? The size is nothing but the difference. So 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, the size difference, the class size is 500. The F value is, median value is 3000 to 3500. The number of lamps is 86. Therefore, the F value is 86. So this is the formula to calculate the median value. So when you solve this, you get 3406.9. So this is the median lifetime of the lamp that is asked in the question. Find the median lifetime of a lamp, that is 3406.9. So hours, right? Because it's a lifetime. So these are the questions given by the CBSE. So kindly practice these questions and solve again and again the important sums released by CBSE. Get all the questions and solve again and again. If you can't solve any one of the question in the CBSE sample paper, post that question in comment section. I'll just see that and I'll clear that in the next upcoming video. I'll put that single video or a separate video for that question itself, no problem. Or by solving these question papers again in the next upcoming videos, I will add that question too and I will solve it and I will post it as soon as possible. Thank you.